Hey guys, Nikki with Vapor Honing Technologies. Today we have a customer who sent in some parts. They want to sample vapor honing to see if it's going to prove effective in their current process. So we have this part. This is one of 3 parts he sent in. This one he wants to remove the black oxide off of it. As you can see, there are fingerprints in the coating, so it didn't take very well. So we're going to use vapor honing. We're going to use a mixture of glass bead aluminum oxide in order to take this off and restore this part to its original glory. Hey guys, so we're back with this part. We were able to remove all of that black oxide. As you can see, this is an exceptionally looking surface. Right now it's going to have a slight profile on the surface. It's going to be slightly etched so that they can recoat. Using the glass bead aluminum oxide, we like using that mix because you get the best of both characteristics. It's not too aggressive, but it's not too fine. So it's going to do the best of both worlds. So if you have any questions, if we can help you with your application or what you need today, please give us a call. My number is 828-220-4967, and my name's Nikki. Thank you so much.